Forex trading is buying and selling currencies. It's like exchanging money when you travel. But in Forex, you try to profit from the changing values of currencies. Imagine buying US dollars when the price is low and selling them when the price goes up. That's the basic idea behind Forex trading. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market globally. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Traders around the world participate, making it a dynamic and exciting market. Anyone can trade Forex, from individuals to large financial institutions. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. However, it's essential to understand the basics and learn how to trade responsibly. Forex trading has gained immense popularity in India recently. More and more Indians are participating in this global marketplace, attracted by the potential for profits and the flexibility it offers. Several factors contribute to India's Forex market growth. The rise of online trading platforms has made it easier for anyone with an internet connection to trade Forex. The increasing awareness of financial markets and investment opportunities among the Indian population is another driving force. Moreover, the Reserve Bank of India has introduced regulations to make Forex trading more transparent and secure for Indian residents. This has instilled greater confidence among investors, further boosting the market's growth. To trade Forex, you need a trading platform. This is software that connects you to the Forex market. It allows you to buy and sell currencies, view live prices, and manage your trading account. Think of a trading platform like your online brokerage account for stocks. You can place orders, track your investments, and access various tools and features from the comfort of your home or office. Numerous online trading platforms cater to Forex traders in India. Each platform offers a different set of features, pricing, and user experience. It's crucial to choose a platform that aligns with your trading style, experience level, and investment goals. When selecting a Forex trading platform, consider the following key features. User-friendly interface. The platform should be easy to navigate, even for beginners. A clean and intuitive design can make your trading experience smoother. Reliability and security. Choose a platform with a proven track record of reliability and robust security measures to protect your funds and personal information. Advanced charting tools. Charts are crucial for technical analysis in Forex trading. A good platform offers various charting tools and indicators to help you analyze price movements. Variety of order types. Different order types allow you to enter and exit trades based on your desired risk and reward levels. Look for a platform that supports a wide range of order types. Section 5. Starting your Forex trading journey. Tips for beginners. Starting your Forex trading journey can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some tips for beginners. Educate yourself. Before risking any real money, take the time to learn about Forex trading. Plenty of online resources, courses, and books are available. Start with a demo account. Most trading platforms offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual money. This is an excellent way to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking your capital. Begin small. When you're ready to trade with real money, start with a small investment amount that you're comfortable losing. Manage your risk. Forex trading involves risk, and it's crucial to manage your risk effectively. Use stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses on each trade. Section 6. Popular Forex trading platforms in India. Numerous Forex trading platforms are available in India, each catering to different needs and preferences. Some of the popular platforms include Trade, known for its user-friendly interface and low minimum deposit requirement, making it an excellent choice for beginners. IQ Option offers a wide range of trading instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and cryptocurrencies. It also provides a demo account for practice. Expert Option features a simple and intuitive platform with fast execution speeds. It also offers social trading, allowing you to copy the trades of experienced traders. Section 7. Choosing the right platform for you. With so many options available, choosing the suitable trading platform can seem overwhelming. Here's how to narrow down your choices. Consider your experience level. If you're a beginner, look for a platform with a user-friendly interface, educational resources, and a demo account. Determine your trading style. Do you prefer short-term or long-term trading? Different platforms cater to different trading styles. Check the fees and commissions. Trading fees can eat into your profits, so compare the charges of different platforms before making a decision. Read reviews from other traders. Online reviews can provide valuable insights into the pros and cons of different platforms. Section 8. Conclusion. Take the leap into Forex trading. Forex trading offers exciting opportunities for individuals in India to participate in the global financial markets. With the right knowledge, tools, and mindset, anyone can learn to trade Forex and potentially profit from it. Remember to educate yourself, start small, manage your risk, and choose a reliable trading platform that meets your needs. Forex trading requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. So take the first step, open a demo account, and start exploring the world of Forex trading today.